AJ,
Yeah.
what I have on the table is Qute by TasteFog.
Straight in there,
Yeah.
with the pun
Yeah.
slogan straight off the bat.
Yeah, I mean,
Efficient.
sometimes I'll wait till the end of a video to give a pun-based slogan.
Well, what I like about the pun slogan is that it's a summary right at the end.
Yeah.
So really, you've summarised now, so we can probably just end the video here.
no,
take your final look at the...
No, that's not how it works.
Oh.
They want to know
Yeah.
what I think of these flavours, what you think of these flavours, and the only way we're going to get to that is to unravel what we have in front of us.
Okay.
So, what is TasteFog's Qute?
What is it?
Well, let's have a look. Drop down to this camera here, and you're going, wow, Pete, that is a lot of colour.
That is a lot of colour, you're right.
I know, and they're right.
Oh, they were saying that.
Yeah, in the comments.
Sounded like you said that.
I said it for them. I speak on their behalf some of the time, AJ. Now, yeah, there's a lot of colour. There's probably even more. Because as we've been seeing, there's so many flavours coming out now in a range. We don't always get sent all of them.
Disappointing.
But what I am happy for is the fact that we have these.
Yes.
Now,
okay.
there's a change in mould. We've been seeing this a lot lately.
Yeah.
Remember, it used to be pen-shaped disposables.
Everything was pen-shaped.
Everything was a rectangle.
Yeah.
Now everything's a square.
Wow, what's next?
Or a kind of square rectangle.
What's next?
I'm not going to tell you what's next because it's in my head.
Triangle.
You've ruined it.
Oh, okay.
Right.
Another
now someone's
shape.
going to copy that idea now.
What about a hexagon? The hexagon vape.
What's in my head,
Yeah.
I don't want to share.
Okay.
So stop shouting them out.
Pentagon.
No.
Like a 50p, no?
That was my idea.
Octagon, like the UFC.
Let's take a look at
The
the
UFC
range.
vape.
Stop talking, AJ.
All right, carry on.
So, looking across the range, we have here the Qute 800 puff. And you're going, Pete, did you say 800 puff? That's what they say. They say 800 puffs. 2 mil,
Okay.
2% nicotine,
Yeah.
mesh coil, strong flavour.
Strong flavour.
How are they getting 800 puffs? I don't know. We'll find out. We'll find out. Maybe it's a real subtle heating. It's probably about 1.4 ohms.
Maybe
that's how they're doing it.
Maybe it's a lower wattage.
I don't know. I don't.
You get longer life out of the coil.
experience. We'll get to that, people.
Yeah.
We'll get to it.
Okay.
Don't rush us.
We're just guessing before we vaped it.
Let's call out the flavours.
Tell me what's
first.
Let me tell you what's in the range. You point.
Okay, I'm going to do the pointy bit, and
Yeah.
you do the explaining bit.
Okay. First up, we have Monster. Then we have green apple, kiwi passion fruit guava, lemon mint, watermelon ice, grape, strawberry kiwi, blue raz ice, triple mango, and finally, triple melon. All the triples. Wonder if it's triply good.
You know what triple melon reminds me of?
Yeah, that film.
Total Recall.
I wish I had 3 hands.
That's the one.
I stole the line out your mouth, didn't I?
Yeah. Triple melon. So let's start off with the Total Recall
Yeah.
by TasteFog.
Does it make you wish anything? Anything at all? Does it make you wish?
Okay, I see what they've done.
Yeah.
I thought they did it on the first vape. I had to vape it again to be sure. Triple melon.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, common sense would say you're in the supermarket. What melon should I get?
Watermelon?
What else?
Melon?
Honeydew melon?
Just melon?
Good choice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the other
Gala melon.
melons? I don't know.
And then you get home, you mix them all up in a bowl, blender.
Like a
whatever.
melon medley.
Yeah. And you go, all of the melon, let's call it triple melon.
Yeah.
And then someone comes along and goes, that's not a very good idea. Triple melon.
So what melons actually
Why not
are
call
there?
it the Total Recall?
We've got watermelon,
Yeah.
melon.
Galia melon.
What's the yellow ones?
Honeydew melon.
Honeydew melon. You got milk melons.
Milk melons? Right. I don't think it's the milk melons. They are very popular. I'll give you that.
Yeah, I think they're the most popular of the melons.
No, it's not those.
Oh,
It's not those.
okay.
Made me wish I had 3 hands. Do you know what I would say?
Yeah.
Mouth-wateringly good. Perhaps you want to try, and I'll get stuck into another one. Just think of it as the total recall.
I really do love sucking on a melon. So
yeah, well, as if triple melon wasn't enough. Whilst AJ can't control himself, I've picked up the next one, which is triple mango.
I see what they've done there.
I didn't know there was a variation on mangoes.
No, there's mango, and then there's mango.
Wow. Okay. Maybe it's 3 times as much mango flavoring. That is super sugary rich.
Well,
that is all of the mango.
Whilst we're talking about unusual flavors, I've picked up the lemon mint just because I always tend to pick out the same flavors because my excuse for being here really is just to get a chance to vape things.
Okay.
Things I like.
It's good that you own up.
Yeah. So whilst we're talking in confession, I'm going to try the lemon mint.
Okay. And while we're doing this role play, I'll do my best not to touch you. How are you finding the lemon mint?
Oh my God.
Blasphemy.
That's unusual. Okay.
What's going on in there? What's going on? He's processing.
Yeah.
I can smell. There's a lot of lemon in the air.
There's a lot of lemon. It's really nice. And the mint gives it this weird balance. You have to taste it. It's really unusual. It's not cold.
I've got to wrap up with that triple mango.
Yeah.
I sussed it. It was like a candy-based mango.
Right.
With a fresh mango. But I don't know what the third one was. Maybe there's a different type of mango.
Is there 3 mangoes?
It's very sweet. It's like a candy mango, and then there's like a fresh mouth-watering kind of element to it.
Yeah.
That's that.
Have a go on that.
So now we're on to another type of weird lemon mint.
Yeah.
Okay. It's all the lemon in the smell.
Yeah.
It was all the lemon when you vaped it, to be fair.
The front end is all lemon, but then there's something that happens at the end.
Oh.
It's bizarre, isn't it?
Okay. So this takes me back to a chewing gum experience it's a hint of... Imagine having a lemon... No. Imagine having a lemonade...
Yes.
After having brushed your teeth.
Yeah.
So you've got that hint of like freshness from the mouthwash or whatever. And then you've got the lemonade. Doesn't quite taste like lemonade. You've got like something weird's going on there. You go, I know what it was. I brushed my teeth. Interesting flavour.
I don't dislike it. I went into it thinking I wasn't going to like it because it was not something I'd pick out normally.
It's really fresh.
Very fresh. And it's one that makes me want to kind of vape it a bit more.
It's not like mint as in a peppermint or spearmint. It's more like a fresh mint as in from the plant.
Yeah.
Sprinkled across a lemonade.
It's a very peculiar mint.
Interesting one to pick out.
The last one I'm going to go for is obvious.
Oh.
Green apple.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I mean,
okay. Green apple, crispy apple. Yeah. Go on then. I'm gonna have a look for myself.
Oh, that's really nice. That's a candy apple.
I've gone for a
really
classic. Good. Grape, just straight up grape. No messing around with it.
Grape's classic. If you like sweet candy apples, the green apple is absolutely sublime. That's bang on. I hope these do 800 puffs because the flavour again out is really good. It doesn't feel like it's a lower wattage from the battery.
Yeah.
So if you're actually getting 800 puffs from that, that's definitely 2 days for an average.
It's exceptional. The flavour is brilliant.
Yeah.
People go to disposable as the first step when they stop smoking.
Yep.
We know that. We're getting that feedback from all the vape stores. That's what we're seeing in the UK. Stop smoking services are reporting the same thing. And one thing we know about when you smoke is your taste isn't as good. That's why you're over seasoning your food with salt and pepper. That will stop as soon as you've quit.
Yeah.
It becomes just overpowering. These flavours help break... Whoa, if I can pick up my vape. help break through the lack of taste that you have. So strong flavours, really concentrated. They're brilliant.
He's so passionate about it that he had to throw it away.
I've picked it up. Yeah, so I've been puffing away on the grape in the background. I like it.
It's good.
It's a very candy-based grape. very synthetically sweet rather than like a natural grape drink.
You could say that they're cute good.
I think
Not quite. They're cute.
if you look at it in hand,
Just bypass it then.
well, I've already done the best pun in the open, so you'd struggle, but apparently I struggle to hold it. But yeah, it's super stealthy, probably the stealthiest vape on the market right now. Even comes with a lanyard in the box, which goes through the top of the mold there.
Sadly, we couldn't show you the lanyard because it's got the website address on it.
YouTube problems.
We'd get put in YouTube jail for it.
But I just want to emphasize, AJ, I'm going to put my nose down into the other camera because 800 puffs, look at how much vapor this produces. Are you ready?
Let's get your nose in there. Pete's nose cam, everybody. Yeah. Oh, wow. Okay. That's almost RDL territory, isn't it?
That is a lot of vape, isn't it?
Yeah. That's it's significant. I guess that's the mesh coil.
Mesh coil is always known to be incredible for flavour.
I'd like to know if anyone's actually, if this has reached retail yet in the UK, if anyone's got hold of it and have they got to the 800 puff experience. I'd like to know the actual longevity.
So it's actually just launched.
So it's not hit retail quite yet.
It will be in the stores. By the time this video gets released, you should be seeing this in the shops.
Okay.
So it's one of the latest devices on the market.
If you're watching this in a month or so's time, feel free to let us know in the comments how you got on your experience of the longevity of it, because I'm genuinely intrigued by that.
Yeah, I think, again, it's down to how much you enjoy the flavour makes a big determination in the duration as well. Sometimes, even if you smoked 15 a day and you come over to one of these 600 puffs, I say it's a day and a half to 2 days. If you like the flavour, we all know that you end up having a bit more of it.
Yeah.
So, that makes a difference. But as long as you're beating those cravings and not cheating,
yes,
then it's all the good.
Thanks for introducing that one. I enjoyed it. It was cute good.
I mean, did you taste the fog?
Oh, I saw your TasteFog.
Take your last look at the Qute by TasteFog.